Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Holly. Welcome, I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you a collaboration video, and this is for a New Year's Eve dessert, and it is being hosted by Mollie at Mollie Cakes Bakery, and she has great content on her channel. She has beautiful cakes. You need to go and check her channel out, and use the hashtag New Year's Eve Desserts 2023 to find all the great recipes in this collab. And for these sugar cookie bars, they're very easy to make, and they're also very versatile for any holiday that you would want to make these for. But you would need a 17.5 ounce bag of sugar cookie mix and 1 box of white cake mix. And I decided to go the easy route with this one, so I had some buttercream frosting that I'm going to use. And you can make your own if you want, but as I said, I just kind of want to do a quick bake here. So 3 eggs, 1 cup of melted butter slightly cooled, and you want some type of sprinkles that would give you that New Year's Eve kind of feel. And this is where it's versatile because you can use any colors you want for any holiday. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a few Oreo cookies, and you want the side with the cream on it, and some of them come off pretty easily and stay intact. If it doesn't and the cream is a little messed up, just take a little butter knife and spread it till it becomes more of a flat surface again. And you also need some black writing gel. And to a mixing bowl, you will add the sugar cookie mix, the cake mix, the eggs, the butter, and then add the vanilla extract. You will mix this with an electric mixer for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. You want to incorporate all those ingredients, and once you're done, it should have a cookie dough texture. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and just put your cookie dough in it and spread it out as evenly as you can. Now put that in the oven for about 30 minutes on 350 till it's completely cooked, golden brown. Now with these Oreos, what I'm doing is taking that black gel and I'm just trying to make a clock on here, kind of a clock face. So I just write the number 12, and then I'll write the number 3, 6, and 9, just to kind of give it that look of a clock. I did try to put like the hands of the clock on one, but it looked a little too messy, a little too crowded, so I just left that off. But if you want to try that, you can. And this is optional. This is just something I wanted to add to it, just to make it a little bit more of a New Year's Eve theme. And that's pretty much it for that. And this is what the other ones look like, and they're not perfect, but I think they do pass for a clock face. And once it comes out of the oven, you want to let this cool for several hours. Then once it's completely cooled, add the buttercream or whatever type of frosting you would want to use on this, and just spread it across. And just like I said, I think this frosting, since it was whipped, was a little bit different to work with. But then I just added those sprinkles on top. And as I said before, you can use any color sprinkles you want for any holidays. I thought this was perfect for New Year's. And this is what it looks like when it's completely covered. And all I did was just cut those into squares to make the little cookie bars, and this is what they look like once they were on a little plate. And then I just put the little clock faces on top, and this makes a nice little treat for New Year's, or for any time, and very quick and easy to put together. Please don't forget to check out Mollie's channel at Mollie's Cakes Bakery, and the hashtag New Year's Eve Desserts 2023, and check all the other videos that are out there to give you some great inspiration for New Year's Eve. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I just want to say thank you to my YouTube family. I appreciate each and every one of you who watch my videos, and I thank y'all so much for your support over the years and over this last year. Thank y'all very, very much. You have no idea how much your support means to me. And I hope to continue to bring more content for you in the coming new year. I also pray that everyone has a very blessed 2023. God bless y'all.